welcome to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will be baking one of the Philippines' favorite recipes, the Pandesal. Perfect for breakfast or just a snack, Pandesal is considered one of the most popular Filipino breads for very good reasons. It has a golden crumb-coated exterior, slightly sweet taste, soft and fluffy texture on the inside. It's perfect on its own or with your favorite fillings. I like mine with Filipino peanut butter, corned beef, fried eggs, or even pancit bihon. So good! Okay, the ingredients that you will need to make the perfect 24 Pandesal rolls are 4.5 cup of flour with additional flour for our kneading, 1 cup lukewarm milk, 1/4 cup warm water, some oil for greasing the bowl, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 7 grams active dry yeast, 1/2 cup fine breadcrumbs. I made my own by toasting slices of bread in the oven and placing them in the food processor, thus keeping Pandesal a budget-friendly recipe. In a bowl or jug, combine water, yeast, and my secret ingredient. My secret ingredient is 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is because although warm water is necessary to activate the yeast, but the sugar allows you to test whether the yeast is ready. Active yeast will eat the sugar and produce carbon dioxide, which is the exact process that makes bread rise and give its unique flavor. Now, we have already stirred it. We need to allow the mixture to sit for 10 minutes or until the mixture becomes bubbly. Here are the lovely bubbles. These prove that our yeast has bloomed perfectly. In a small bowl, combine milk, butter, sugar, 2 eggs, and salt. Add the milk mixture and 2 cups of flour to the yeast mixture. And combine them together. We now need to gradually add the remaining 2 cups of flour. Now we need to lightly flour our surface, sparingly adding the remaining 1/4 cup of flour as necessary for about 10 minutes or until smooth, supple, and elastic. If you don't want to spend 10 minutes kneading by hand, you can always make use of the stand mixer. We need to lightly oil our large bowl and place the dough inside. And we're going to cover this with a tea towel instead of using cling film to be more environmental friendly and to reduce our use of plastic. And we will let it rise for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours until it doubled in size. Once again, we are going to put some flour on a working surface and we are going to transfer our dough that has doubled in size. And now we are going to divide it into 24 equal pieces and shape them into a ball. So I divide into half first, and then I'm gonna form into a log. Divide into 4 and then divide into 3. Now we already have our 24 balls. The next thing we are going to do is to coat them with breadcrumbs and arrange them in a parchment lined baking tray. So now we're going to roll them like this and then arrange them in the baking tray. Now we're going to cover this with a tea towel and let it rise again for another 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Now they have risen. We can now bake them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. So here's our finished product! We can now see the golden crumb coated exterior, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. See how soft and fluffy the inside is? Pandesal is best served hot, so after a few days, if you want to reheat them, you just simply wrap them in aluminum foil. Depends on how many you want to reheat. Like this one. Wrap it like this. And put it in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. And it's like having fresh pandesal every day. I hope my videos are inspiring you to get into baking. If it did, please send me a picture of your fantastic bake so I can see it. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.